Sounds professional, right? I'm sure you recognized it. That was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But if the sharps and the flats that you saw scared you, you're not alone. You know, most aspiring beginner and intermediate pianists get stuck in one or at the most two keys. In this series that I'm going to do, we're going to fix that by mastering improvisation in all 12 keys by using a well-known song like And to help you follow along without needing to pause the video every 5 seconds and wonder what chords I'm playing, I've created something special. This is my Piano Keyboard Primary Chord guide. It has all the scales and the 3 primary chords for each scale in standard music notation, pictorial form, and easy to read keyboard diagrams. It's the perfect cheat sheet for this entire series. We'll be using this guide every single lesson. It means less time memorizing and more time playing. You can grab an instant download PDF right now from my store using the first link in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, grab your guide, and let's start improvising Twinkle Twinkle Little Star next week.